Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Carson here at Tacoma Lifestyle. Today, we're gonna show you how to install AlphaRex tail lights on your Tacoma. So AlphaRex has two different tail lights, the all new LUXX-Series tail light and the existing Pro Series tail light, which we have that we will be swapping out. Both the install is the exact same for each. It is super easy, everything is plug and play. All you'll need is a 10mm socket. These are offered in 3 different colors. There's a jet black, or alpha black as they call it, a straight black, and a smoked red. Today we're gonna be throwing on the smoked red. Just got our new shipment today, got 3 pallets of them. We are fully stocked with them and they are so rad. Check these out. All right, so the install is super easy. All you're gonna do is take off this bolt right here and this bottom one, so right here and right there, and you're gonna pull right off and it will pop right out of place. So first, let's start here. All right, now that those 2 bolts are off, you're just gonna pull right here in the end of your light over here, and it'll pop just right out of place right there. All right, and now that your light is off, it is time to unplug these plugs. As I said, it's plug and play, so it's such an easy install. So what you're gonna do is, I like just to work top down just so I don't get mixed up with anything. So you're just gonna grab that, just like right there. Now that is off. And with this bottom, all you're gonna do is just twist and it'll pop right out of place just like that. All right, now that light is off, it's now time to plug in your new light. So just gonna work top down as before. So everything, like I said, is completely plug and play. So you're just gonna line all these up and they'll snap perfectly into place for you. Now work right here. It snaps right in. Now it is time to do the bottom. So right here, you will twist this piece. You'll pull that out to give you a little more room. All right, if you're installing the Pro Series, this is the only difference. Right now is where you will just plug this light bulb straight into the reverse socket and twist, and your install is done right there. But the new LUXX series, they switched to a complete LED reverse light also. So all you're gonna do is pull this right off and undo the bulb, and you will plug right in here. All right, so you're just gonna pull this tab down like that and pull this, and it will release. This will take a little bit of elbow grease. It is mine had a lot of dust in there, so we're just working it back and forth, but eventually it will pop out. And now that everything is plugged in, you are all set, and you're just gonna snap it right back into place. Just like that. Then you're gonna take your existing bolts, put them right back in there, top and then bottom. And before tightening all the way down, it is best to turn the car on, make sure everything's working properly, just so we're not backpedaling. So now we're gonna turn the car on and test if it's working. So now we're gonna turn on the hazards. We're getting pattern, that sequential pattern is beautiful. Now we're gonna hit the brakes. And we're gonna go left. Also, let's hit the reverse light. And everything is working perfectly. So this is the Pro Series. There is no sequential pattern. It looks so much better than the OEM. The LUXX Series, as you can see, it does have sequential pattern all the way. All right, and now we're just gonna finish up with tightening these back down. All right, and now that the driver's side is done, you will just follow the exact same steps for the passenger side. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to grab a pair of one of these, we will throw links right into the bio. We will be releasing a full video that does a side-by-side comparison of the AlphaRex Pro Series taillights versus the Lux Series taillights. That will get into the nitty-gritty and go through all the specs, you know, and the colors and what you like and what you prefer on those. So go hit the subscribe so when that video drops, you are first to see it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.